Xin chào everyone. Hello. Xin chào các bạn. Tatka everyone. I'm going to turn the aircon off. It is very good aircon in this hotel room, but I thought I'd just show you a little review of we were staying in for about 20 days in another hotel, which was very nice, which was all right. This one's a little bit better. I've done the room up for you a little bit, just because the old lady, she likes, there's a nice view out there of the, this is the I'm gonna show you the name, Crystal Hotel. It has 9 stars. Did you believe it? It's more like 3 stars. Anyway, you got little cups, everything. You don't get deodorant. There's a door. You got cupboards. I've got a suit in there. Got a load of crap in there, so I'll not show you that. There's a decent little bathroom. I'll show you the view after. I'll show you the bathroom. And you got a handsome guest in here. Nothing fancy. There's some, I don't know what that is. I presume it's hand stuff. Shampoo, some glasses. You get free earbuds. Crystal Hotel. I mean, it's not bad. I'll tell you how much it is at the end. Or there's just a normal toilet, a little shower. Give it a little go. The power's alright. You know, it's a shower. You turn it on. You get the water. Very nice. And you've got a big head. I haven't used the big head. I don't really need it. But different in Vietnam. Usually it's straight onto the floor. Let's just hold my hand in front of the camera. Be a good cameraman. Usually it just goes straight onto the floor, so this one's good. You can lock her up, and then you're good to go basically. So it's not bad. It's pretty nice. It's nice and clean, pretty much. Big bed. I don't know how big the bed is. I want to say it's a queen, potentially king. Big enough for me and the old lady. You got a little chair. I've got crap on it. There's a I'll just make this a nice short one, to be fair. There's a little TV here. You got a little box. You can get movies. You can put YouTube on there. It's nice. I'm staying here for 4 nights. I think we're staying another night actually. But there's a cool view here. There's a nice little view. Yeah, the view is pretty good. We're just near the beach. The beach is just that way. I mean, I usually stay a couple streets that way. That's probably my favorite street, is a little bit over there, Wing Con Chu. Lots of delicious local food. This one's quite high up. We're quite high up here. What are we on? 7th floor? Something like that. There's a swimming pool like up on the top. I don't want to drop my camera, but here's the view outside anyway. Shit. Fuck, I'm gonna end up not being able to close the bloody window. Oh, some birds flying there. So yeah, the sea is just that way. It's literally like 2 minutes. You can almost just see the sea. I wasn't sure I could see. It's been a bit grey past few days. A bit of rain and stuff. Very cool for this time of year. There's a little fridge. This is my only complaint so far, is I'm not sure the fridge is actually working now. For some reason today it stopped working. We've got some snacks there. Yeah, but it's a nice little room. I think it's, how big? Bigger than the last room we were in. It's a little outdated and whatnot, but it does the job, you know. And for the price, it's about £8-9, so about $10-11. In Vietnam dong, it is about, trời ơi, các bạn, khách sạn. It's about, how much do I want to say it is? 250,000 dong, so hai năm mươi, 250. So 250,000 dong, about that, more or less. Yeah, it's a decent area. The lobby and stuff looks quite nice. The swimming pool is not so interesting. I think there is another gym next to the pool. There was a tiny bit of gym equipment, but nothing crazy. The aircon is very strong. There's lots of places for storage. The internet is very good. The last local hotel in there was very poor, not great. But yeah, we're at 5 minutes now, so maybe if you're lucky, I will show you the actual gym this time. If I find the actual gym, I think it's one thing about it's quite a big. Feels weird. I'm holding it too close to my head, but maybe I'll show you the actual thing. But yeah, for I was gonna say $8-9, $9-10. It's not bad. They have more expensive rooms here. I don't think they have. I don't know what the most expensive room is. Maybe $15-20 maximum, I would say. There's food outside. It's a little bit of a tourist area, so I'm just on this road. You turn in like one street and it's like local as can be, which is how I like it. You're gonna go out. Dian at Cafe. I already had some coffee before. I love the Vietnamese coffee. I'm gonna make some videos, show Vietnamese food. I've been for weeks and weeks, and I've only been doing short videos. I want to do a proper video, but I want to do it justice. I can't stress that enough. So goodbye from this hotel. I'm gonna to a nicer hotel soon, and then I'll probably go to a worse one again after that. Then I'm going to Bali after that, so then I'll come back to Vietnam. So let's see how that goes. Anyway, subscribe, give us a like. Gives a like or gives a dislike, it doesn't really matter. You don't see either of those things anymore, but watch the video. I'm gonna show you some more Vietnamese stuff. I want to go out in the country, in the countryside. I love Da Nang, but I've been here too long. That's the only problem. But anyway, xin chào, hẹn gặp lại, see you later. I'm gonna go to bed now. Good night. You don't want to see me like that. Bye bye.